Before you go, Ronnie, I think it's time we have the talk. Your mother and I are going to allow you to use the car sometimes, which means you're going to have certain freedoms that you didn't have before.
What kind of freedoms, Dad?
Well, for instance, you may have a young lady in the car, and one thing may lead to another, but it's important that you don't let your hunger get the best of you.
What happens if my hunger gets the best of me, Dad?
Well, unless you use protection, you could end up in a messy situation.
Protection?
Yes, son. I always keep a couple in the car. I'll show you how to use one. The first thing you'll want to do is gently tear open the package. Then you want to slide the Dipclip onto the vent. It's one size fits all, so it'll work in any car. After it's secured, you'll take your sauce and slip it right into the hole. Then just dunk and enjoy yourself.
Dad, what if my sauce doesn't fit?
Don't worry, Ronald. They're designed to hold almost all sauces from any major fast food chain.
But Dad, what if I'm into other stuff? You know, like ketchup or mustard?
Son, your mother and I are going to love you no matter what you're into. And don't worry, there's a ramekin that comes with the Dipclip just for that.
What if I don't use a Dipclip?
A lot of people like to risk it, but what happens more often than not is you get your sauce everywhere.
Dad, why don't you just eat it without sauce? Never mind.
I'm just going to leave this one right here for you. Just remember, it's for your protection.
Hi, I'm Corey, Holho's co-brand coordinator. Do you remember Holho? You know, the pyramids and the Zeds? Well, we have something new for you guys. Look at this. Wow, now that is scary. If I told you it comes from a small tablet, would you believe me? The screen reflects on all four sides of the pyramid or single Zed face, generating a hologram in the center. Wow, this is so magical. We've gotten better and better. What's new, Danilo?
Hi, Holho is a new production development. Each pyramid and Z are disassembled, and now you can...
Blending seamless the virtual with the real, Mad Gaze brings you closer to the future. Maneuver and navigate at your fingertips. See the possibilities and feel with every touch, swipe, or pinch. Hey, are you guys coming over?
Yeah, we're around. I'll see you in a bit.
Okay. Experience augmented reality. Experience the powerful interaction between you, your glasses, and the environment. Become one. This is the true embodiment of life, work, and entertainment. Victor.
Posture helps you to build up your own muscles. The posture harness won't take over from your muscles, as this would make them weaker over time. As you initially use the posture harness for shorter periods and gradually build up the time spent wearing it, your body subconsciously learns to correct itself over time. An upright position improves the depth of your breathing and hence your oxygen uptake. You get more energy and perform better. While seated, posture reminds the body to maintain the correct sitting position. Slumping forward creates a lot of stress on muscles and joints and builds up tension over time. And as a bonus effect of the increased oxygen uptake, your thinking and concentration ability improves. You will get more things done. Posture won't only boost your physical strength. Regardless of whether you're at work or a party, posture will help you to look